Today, we stand on the foundation of partnership. Southside ISD and the Education Foundation, fueled by the generous support of our teachers, staff members, and community. Each grant, made possible by your contributions, empowers our teachers to innovate.
Hi Southside, it is 2026 and the Southside ISD Education Foundation is doing its grant surprise patrol again. And today we're gonna give out almost $13,000 in grants. Let's go!
Yay!
$1,500.
At Menchaca Early Childhood Center, 2 innovative projects are helping shape early learning. Dr. Melanie Morgan was awarded $1,500 for transforming play, creating enriched, play-based environments that support early childhood development.
I'm very grateful for the foundation and their willingness to let us submit grants and share our visions and allow us the opportunity to get money to fund some of these extravagant ideas that otherwise wouldn't be funded by normal budgets and normal school budgets from the state. So I'm very grateful.
Selena Ramirez also received $1,000 for Cardinal Cardboard, a hands-on initiative that sparks creativity, imagination, and problem-solving through construction-based learning.
We loved your ideas and we wanted to award you with $1,000 for your project.
I wasn't expecting this. I'm so surprised and happy, and thank you to the foundation. Just being a public educator and a product of public education, this means a lot, and I'm excited to bring this to my students.
At Gallardo Elementary, efforts are focused on both engagement and wellness.
Your principal, Ms. Claudia Wright, Ms. Escamilla, Ms. Waysad, and Dr. Bond are the winner of $1,500.
The Education Foundation helps a lot in all of our incentives that we do, whether it's for our STEAM prizes or attendance incentives. So donate to the Education Foundation so we can get more money out to the students.
Yay!
Paige Horner and Denise Lebras received $1,200 for the Walk and Run Club, encouraging physical activity and promoting healthy habits among students.
Thank you so much for giving us the money. We'll put it to good use for our club.
From the Special Education Department, Dr. Ernesto Salinas was awarded $1,500 for A Night to Shine, an inclusive and memorable event planned for 2027 that will celebrate and support students in special education.
Surprise! Thank you.
Congratulations.
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 Thank you.
Well, I think it's appropriate that our kids get to experience the traditional of prom, and so it's great to have our students who sometimes aren't able to attend the traditional prom due to various reasons because of their disability. Maybe it's too much sensory or just too much going on with them, and so I think it's a great opportunity for them to come out and have that experience that they get to cherish for their lifetime.
At Southside High School and the Central Office, 2 projects are expanding opportunities for student voice and creativity. Carlos Peralta received $3,000 for student-led media production, providing students with hands-on experience in communication, storytelling, and digital content creation.
One of our top grants because it's a very creative idea to get the students involved. And media right now is major. And so there's big corporations they have media directors and all that kind of stuff. And so this will really help the kids when they get out.
The students here at Southside High School are amazing. As you said, this generation is all about media. And so working even with our Jumbotron students, they want more, they're hungry for more. And so this grant will definitely go to creating a news broadcast that we can have like on a weekly or monthly basis where they can be in front of camera, they can script, they can write, they can produce, they can do it all. And I think this is definitely going to help prepare them for an amazing future, give them opportunities, a foundation where they can just have options when they graduate from high school. So we're really excited for that. We're grateful to the foundation for their sponsorship and the partnership with Southside ISD and all the staff members and community that contributed to this. So thank you so much.
Yay!
Jack Harvey and Charles Hutchinson were also awarded $3,000 for stop-motion cameras, enhancing digital storytelling through the use of animation technology. Together, these projects reflect the innovation and dedication that continue to shape the future of Southside ISD.
Thank you to the coworkers and everyone that donated. I know I donated as well. But because the money goes back to us, it goes to teachers, it goes to the students, and it helps everybody out. So it's, thank you so much for the foundation and everyone that helps out, parents and everybody. It's great.
Thank you.